First, did you know that a single mature pumpkin can weigh up to 5 kilograms? Second, surprisingly, when you cut open a mature pumpkin, the color inside is sunny orange. Looks beautiful and appealing. I know you thought it was green, as I did before, right? As said in the previous video, the orange color is because of carotenoids that are also responsible for vitamin A. Third, one mature pumpkin fruit is capable of producing hundreds of seeds in a single harvest. Imagine planting one seed and getting hundreds of seeds on just one fruit. Does these mean all fruit on a single pumpkin plant may give us thousands of seeds? Fourth, one opening, scratch, or insect bites marks on the surface of the pumpkin does not mean it's rotten or something is wrong inside. Some pumpkin get small injuries and undergo self-healing process. The inside mostly remains intact with just small deformity. Next time you notice a deformed pumpkin skin or dents, do not panic. Most of the time, it's just nature taking its course. Sit back, relax, and continue naturing your pumpkin. You rather should worry when you notice color and texture change on the pumpkin skin, though. Nature always surprising, right? Surprisingly, when heated under moderate heat, the hard pumpkin part softens easily. The hardening also is a sign that the pumpkin is all ready and mature for harvest. The hardening also acts like protection barrier. We saw earlier one deformity did not mean on the inside was rotten. All that was thanks to the tougher pumpkin skin and the hardened flesh inside. This is pumpkin flesh after being put under moderate heat. The pumpkin fruit itself has many health benefits. Sixth, all these pumpkin are the same on the inside. It does not matter the shape or size. The oval pumpkin has all seeds attached to the fibrous tissue. You can see the flesh is sunny orange too. This applies to the circular-shaped pumpkin and the small ones too. The fruit may look different in shape and size, but the content is the same. The fibrous tissue and soft and holding up the seeds. The flesh in sunny orange with the different colors on the outside. All these apply only when the fruit is mature. An immature pumpkin fruit will look slightly different from the inside. When dried under sun, the fibrous tissue shrink with the seeds still attached.